In 1880, the Cumbres and Toltec scenic road was originally built as part of the Rio Grande narrow gauge San Juan extension. In southwestern Colorado, mining was a booming business, which caused the DNRG to forget El Paso and move west, where mining was abundant. The train was booming until silver became scarce and mining slowed down. After some thinking, they made the decision to turn the train into a scenic route. After that the decision, they sold tickets to people all over the world like France and Toronto. The train was pulling in lots of money, which made it popular, so much that people wanted to film movies on the train, like Bite the Bullet, Million Ways to Die in the West, Hostiles, and Where the Hell's the Gold? Which makes the train a 19th century movie star. Why are there narrow parts in the railroad? The railroad gets narrow because it's easier to cut through sharp turns for like mountainous or rough areas. After some years, the train was getting forgotten. So during Christmas, they had Santa and his little helpers on the train, which made every little boy and girl want to go on the train every year to see them and have hot cocoa before the big day. There are many complications with running the train, for example, running off track, or the train engine having complications, or even starting on fire. There are always situations that can cause complications. With all the experienced workers, they can avoid these complications or solve them with their knowledge from past experiences. This train is very important to the people of Colorado and New Mexico because it brings tourists and money into our communities. It also provides jobs for people who lived in the area, and it helped keep the town of Antonito alive. Why do trains use coal? Back when trains were becoming popular, they used whatever was available, and coal was the most abundant resource. Once better resources were available, they did not want to use them because they had used coal for so many years it felt like a tradition. From Antonito to Chama is a wonderful place for all the years it has been